Here we are today, finishing up our last day of training with Commence Fence. We did training on our no dig rig, our AS1000 that they purchased from us that they're going to use in their business. And I got all the guys here that started off this week. And I want to start off by saying that everybody improved here. It was impressive to see what they were pounding yesterday and what they ended up pounding today, and how they improved on using the machine and using their accuracy of keeping it to the line and whatnot. You know, one of the things that I preach on in the no mess, no dig is learn to pound a post right. Okay? If it's not that hard, and I think you guys learned how to do that this couple days, and a lot of guys out there aren't taking the time to learn to pound those posts right, so they're trying other type of methods to make it look like it should. But the reality, it's faster, easier, and more efficient to just pound the post right the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna go around the circle here, and I'm gonna tell me your name, tell me what you learned, and tell me about what you think.
My name's Casey. I work for Commence Fence. This is an awesome machine. It's really straightforward. It's really good once you got trained to use. It's super strong, super easy, and like exponentially speeds up with the time on the work site.
Tell us how long you've been in the fence industry.
Been in the fence industry just like under a year, like beginner.
And your improvement from yesterday to today was absolutely amazing.
Hi, my name is Awale. I learned this machine is awesome, and I learned yesterday the machine I didn't know, but today I learned so much things. But the machine is awesome, and I joined this company, this fence, last season.
Yeah. You probably had the biggest growth in the 2 days here.
Yeah.
And I'm very proud of you for what you did yesterday and what you were doing today. Congratulations. Keep up the hard work.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mo, and I think the machine is great. It's something that's revolutionary, and we're going to be able to use it here as part of our sales tools to close jobs. So we're very excited.
And what's your job here?
I'm the salesman.
And how are you going to use that machine?
I'm going to use this machine to close jobs based on the fact of the efficiency, the fact that we're not disturbing any of the environment for the customers, the landscape, and we're going to be in and out.
Perfect.
Yeah.
AJ, tell us your little spiel about the training here.
Oh, I think the training went really well. I think I grew a little bit as someone teaching. I know I've done a little bit of teaching now, but I've got more under my belt and got experience. But I think you guys all did well. Learned this machine pretty quick, especially Rudolph over here. I think he learned that machine pretty much yesterday, and he was pounding away today. But I'm proud of the way everyone else handled themselves. They did really good today. And I think the last 2 days went really well.
Perfect.
Hello, I'm Rudolph. I want to say, first of all, thank you so much for you guys to come here and train us. Efficiency, fast, those pretty much the words I can just wrap around with all the job we did in these 2 days. And I want to say also clean. It's super clean. I'm really thankful about that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Rudolph did a super job. He kind of perfected his proficiency on using that machine, and you looked awesome on it. Can't wait to see what you guys do with it.
My name is Anthony. The machine is very easy to use and efficient, and it also helps when you have good teachers like Aaron and AJ.
Thanks, bud. And last but not least, our man, Rashim.
Yeah, honestly, I think the machine is a game changer. When I first seen it with Aaron and his videos, I had a wide-eye moment, right? I was looking for a driver ourselves. We've driven posts before, and when I seen that I can have my guys doing jobs and take away almost all of the labor, then I said, you know what, I'm invested in that machine, right? And now I have guys that know that I'm just as committed to them as they are committed to me every single day. So just appreciate you guys for coming out, and probably not going to be our first machine.
Yeah, and I appreciate you having us out. Our discussions have been great. We're going to continue them on. I'm learning as much from you as you are from us, and I greatly appreciate that.
Well, definitely.
So thank you guys. Thank all you guys.